Welcome to our comparison of two powerful graphics cards, the ASUS RTX 5070 Ti and the Sapphire RX 9070 XT. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, performance metrics, and pricing to see which one stands out as the better choice for gamers and professionals alike. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the ASUS RTX 5070 Ti is priced at $939 United States dollars, while the Sapphire RX 9070 XT comes in at a more affordable $749 United States dollars. This significant price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for value for your money. Let's see how this impacts their performance and features. In terms of performance, the ASUS RTX 5070 Ti features PCIe 5.0 and 16 GB of GDDR7 memory, which is designed for high-performance gaming and rendering tasks. On the other hand, the Sapphire RX 9070 XT, equipped with 16 GB of GDDR6 memory and AMD's RDNA 4 architecture, offers competitive performance for gaming at high settings. Both cards are built to handle intensive graphical workloads, but their performance may vary based on specific use cases. Cooling is crucial for maintaining performance during long gaming sessions. The ASUS RTX 5070 Ti features axial tech fans designed for optimal airflow, while the Sapphire RX 9070 XT incorporates an efficient cooling system that ensures the card remains cool under load. Both solutions aim to provide stability and longevity for your graphics card, but their effectiveness can vary based on the system's overall design and airflow. In conclusion, both the ASUS RTX 5070 Ti and the Sapphire RX 9070 XT offer impressive features and performance. The choice ultimately depends on your budget and specific needs. If you prioritize price, the Sapphire RX 9070 XT is a compelling option. However, if you seek cutting-edge technology and performance, the ASUS RTX 5070 Ti may be worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.